Hi, my name is Arpit Bhardwaj. I am from Section 1. My roll number is 21IM10009. I am here with my DIY assignment number 3 under the topic Disassembly and Assembly of an Home Electrical Appliance. I will be disassembling a heater and then explain its parts and its working, and then reassembling it, and then we will see it working. Okay, so talking about its feature, it has one auto cut mechanism which basically maintains the maximum temperature these coils can reach. Whenever the maximum temperature is reached, the circuit breaks, and then the coil stops heating, and then they whenever they cools down, they restart heating, and then again the maximum temperature is reached, the circuit again breaks, and this cycle continues. It has a knob. It has four options basically. One is off, the other one is fan only mode, in which the fan spins, the heating filament is out of the circuit. Then there are two modes of heating, heat 1 and heat 2, according to your heating requirements. Heat 1 mode has only some of the filaments connected to the circuit, and heat mode 2 has all of the filaments connected to the circuit. Now let's check it if it's working or not. So you might be able to hear the noise of the fan. uh, Actually, we can also see it spinning. It is clearly visible, and these are the filaments. So let's disassemble it and let's see inside it. So I have successfully disassembled the heater. Now talking about the main components of this heater, we have this heat blower. The second one is the filaments. Third is a thermostat, and then we have a switch. Now let's talk about the exact working. Whenever we start this heater and change the switch option to fan or heater mode, these filaments start heating because of their resistance. The fan starts moving, it blows air through this channel. As you can see, we have this section made for the air to pass only through this opening. The air passes through the filament, it gets hot, and it comes out of these openings. Thus we get hot air. And yeah, talking about this thermostat, whenever the filaments reach a particular temperature, so that it is quite below their melting point, such that to maintain the ethnicity of our heater, I figured out it's working. Like, I am not sure, but still it has a clip mechanism. Whenever it gets heated, the due to electromagnetic induction, it gets magnetized, and we have a magnet something like this here. So whenever that particular temperature is reached, it slides down and breaks the circuit. See? And then whenever that temperature is like quite below, they again start heating by this mechanism. See? And then we have the switch, fan blower. Not talking about this air blower, we have a motor inside it with a rotor, and we have transformer. The working is basic, like from the 10th class DC motor stuff. And what else? Yeah, talking about the materials of these components, this filament is made up of nichromium. Nichromium is nickel 80% and 20% chromium. This windings is made up of copper. This fan is made up of iron, and this clip too is made up of iron, and the rest stuff is made up of conducting materials. So yeah, this was my DIY project, and I will reassemble it and then show it's still working. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have reassembled the heater. Now let's see if it is still working. I hope so. Okay, glad to hear the fan spinning. and you can see it is rotating. Okay, to verify it is still working, we can check it with this piece of paper. See, it is still right now, and when I place it in front of this, it starts deflecting. So yeah, this was my DIY project for week number 6. Thank you.